This video is kind of a 3DOS Airdrop tutorial or just a 3DOS network overview. I still don't have any browser node on the Sui blockchain, so I decided to launch one. Also, you'll learn what is the 3DOS Walrus Print on the free airdrops page. First, we need to sign up. Enter your email and password. A referral code is preferable as well, because projects like this are usually referral based, and we can earn more points. For example, in this 3DOS project, we receive 300 points and the referrer gets a 10% boost for 24 hours. If you need my referral code, you'll find it in the description below. I'm gonna click register. Now I can log in using my email and password. I'm on the 3DOS dashboard. You can watch a video here and learn more about how 3DOS works and how to earn points. They highlight that we need to use referral links to invite friends and get more rewards. We need to generate an API key, download the Chrome extension, and use the key to log in. Then keep the node running and start earning rewards. We also need to complete daily logins and claim exclusive daily rewards. Let's check this out. Good, we can start by generating the API key. But I see a message saying that my email address is not verified. I have completed my email verification, so now I'll return to the 3DOS dashboard. Oh, I see a pop-up, claim your daily 3DOS rewards. I'm gonna click claim reward. I've claimed 6 points. Let's close this pop-up. Now I can try to generate the API key one more time. I see my generated key and I need to copy it. The next step is to download the 3DOS browser extension. Click Add to Chrome, then open the extension. You need to log in, and the next important step is to paste your API key into the field and click Apply. My node is connected. I can see my current amount of rewards. Here is my referral code. There are different tasks we should complete to earn more points, but you'll also find the same tasks on the 3DOS dashboard. Let's complete the Follow Us on Twitter task to get 1000 points. I've already followed them. By the way, the points are added to your balance within 24 hours, so you won't see them immediately. Another task is follow us on Discord, accept the invite, and join the 3DOS Discord. Complete the verification, be active on Discord, earn roles, and be valuable for the project, especially if you want to qualify for a bigger 3DOS airdrop and more rewards. But also keep in mind, this is crypto. There are absolutely no guarantees. Let's return to the 3DOS dashboard. You can earn additional points by creating tweets about the 3DOS network. Also, you can join their Telegram to get 1000 more points. Next, explore the page called Earn More Points. Here is a list of available tasks. Each task shows the time left to complete it, like 12 days or 7 days. I'll try to complete the first task. It asks me to connect my wallet. I'll connect my MetaMask, connect, confirm the signature. Then I'll click follow the account on Twitter, return back to Community 3DOS, and click Verify and Claim. I got 1000 rewards. Another task is Join Twitter. Click Follow now. Since I've already followed their Twitter before, I'll just click Verify and Claim. Done. The next task is Join Discord. The situation is similar. I'll just click Verify and Claim, because I've already joined the 3DOS Discord. You can do the same for Telegram, but this task doesn't currently have an option to verify. And the last task is Earn More Points. If we open the quests page, we will see this one quest. It says, "Sorry, you are too late." Well, if you want to earn more points, just check the community website regularly and try to complete any new tasks that appear. One more thing I want to do here is open my profile page. Then I'm gonna click Edit Profile. Previously, I connected my MetaMask address, which is in fact an Ethereum-based address. Since this project is on Sui, I want to add a secondary Sui wallet. I'll click Connect Wallet. I want to connect this Sui address. Connect. Sign. Done. My Sui wallet is now connected as a secondary wallet to my 3DOS profile. So if you have time, it's definitely better not to skip things like that. Now let's check out one more interesting page, free airdrops. 3DOS x Walrus. Your 3DOS Walrus is here. Got a 3D printer? Print it now. No printer? Invite a friend to print it for you. I'll explain what this is about. Here is the 3DOS network website. I'll log in using my Google account, confirm all the terms and agreements. You can see a list of available designs for 3D printers. Let's open the Walrus 3DOS version 1 model. You'll see a real 3D model of the Walrus, which we can work with to print an actual 3D object or item. And yes, I'm talking about real, physical printing. You need to have a physical 3D printer to do that. Let's click Save. My changes are being saved. Now I want to print. Click Print. There are no available printers. Like I said before, you need access to a real printer. If you're surprised, don't be. This project is about 3D printers and designers who earn fees when someone uses and prints their models. So that even if we are running nodes and farming points, that doesn't mean the project is only about points and tokens. So you might ask, why do you need to print this? You don't. It's just an optional task. I'm not going to print it. Or maybe I will if I find a friend with a 3D printer, just for fun. By the way, it could be a good idea to do it and share a picture of the Walrus in the 3DOS network Discord. If you have more questions about that, feel free to ask in the comments. You can also explore the 3D printer owners section, where you'll find menus related to printer owners and 3D designers. Now I want to show you the referral program page. Here you can see your referral rewards. Here you can find your referral code. My tier is basic. I need 3 more referrals to reach the standard tier. You can also claim your rewards in this box. There are all the rewards tiers listed, depending on how many referrals you have. Both parties get 300 points for every successful referral. The referrer also earns a 10% bonus on rewards for the next 24 hours. Share your code to invite friends. Your referral qualifies once they install the extension and start browsing. Both you and your referral will receive 300 points for a successful referral. Earn extra rewards by completing tasks and inviting friends. Basically, nothing special for a referral-based project. And I want to show you one more trick that I have already demonstrated in Dawn. For me, it's much more convenient to have my node running in a separate browser tab. So if you want that too, here is what to do. Open the code inspector, then go to the console tab, type document.url, press enter, and you'll see a link. Just copy that link. Now open it in a new tab. Your node will run in that separate tab, and you will not have to open the 3DOS browser extension every time. Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. 3DOS network doesn't have its token yet, but the community hopes that one day it will be launched, and we will get some profit from the 3DOS Airdrop. Thanks for watching.